Hello again everybody, just wanted to show you how you put privacy plastic thing on your windows. So far I've done a couple of panels already. What you'll first need is the privacy plastic. You don't need any glues or anything for these at all. You just need water. Alright, so as I said, you'll probably need a cleaning cloth, window cleaners, and water spray. It's quite essential that you have water spray or some sort of water that you can put onto the window, and maybe a small ruler, a large ruler. Now I bought this from Amazon, this plastic that's going to go on the window. It's quite nice to put on. As you can see, I've already done some parts of it, so I'm going to show you the last bit of how I did it. The first thing you'll need to do is some window cleaners. Clean the windows. It's quite simply done with a towel. Just wipe it down, and that's basically it. So that's the first bit that you need to do. Now you can do different patterns and so forth, but you can be very accurate with your cutting. So you literally cut far away, about a couple of inches away if you can, from the glass itself. And you can remember, one side is rough and one side is very fine and very polished. So the polished bit, there's a little polythene that will come off, and I'll show you that a bit later. And they'll literally, you water it and you put it on there. So I'm just going to cut like this. It stays on there, and I'll show you how I've done the other ones properly, but this is a rough idea. You get the thing like this. Now you've got to be careful, some of them got plastic bit inside the windows. You don't want to cut them down, so use this ruler. So a ruler, now you don't want to put the ruler on this side. You've got to be careful how you cut this. You put the ruler against the plastic so you don't cut the plastic bit, and you should be carefully without cutting your fingers, of course. Hold down, you cut straight down. Another trick to use is, if the one side is quite straight, you can, if you want to, put the straight side on first. So you don't have to cut both sides down, you put the straight side on first, and that's it. So I'm going to show you. Alright, so as you can see, I put the straight side that was already cut originally against one side. So it stays there with a lot of water underneath it. So water is just literally holding it together. Alright, so you can see privacy glass, it really works really well from outside. You can't see anything inside at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll hope to put some more videos on later.